I'm Finlay, currently working at Detectortesters in the engineering department. I'm studying a degree apprenticeship in mechanical engineering. I am really enjoying my time here at the moment. So my role as a degree apprentice is quite simple. It's a combination of two things, education and work. So I go to university 1 day a week and then I work the rest of the week soaking in experience from all of my fellow employees. I work in the research and development department on specifically product design. So I'm using a lot of CAD to generate models and stuff, and working on research and simulation. It's all very interesting, looking at developing the new products for detector testers.
At Detector Testers, we were inspired to launch our first ever apprenticeship program because we're committed to nurturing the next generation of young talent, especially in STEM. We've already been involved in initiatives such as modern day work experience in Hertfordshire, so this felt like natural progression and our next step. We identified an area of the business that we thought an apprentice could best bring skills, energy, and new ideas, which for us was our engineering department. Engineering can benefit greatly from hands-on experience, learning from experienced engineers and having that mentorship. And also it can be an area that's difficult for us to recruit, so that seemed like a key area to introduce an apprentice.
What made you choose an apprenticeship at Detectortesters?
Well, I thought the company from a whole just looked like a really outstanding company. It seems like you have great values and great people. And I was interested in the work, to be honest. It seems like a really interesting, growing company that's got a lot of potential, and I feel like I can make a name for myself here. I've learned a lot about just professionalism in general. It's a bit of a step up for me. This is quite a corporate role, and yeah, I'm really enjoying it. And in terms of technical skills, I've been working more on CAD, simulation, a lot of design work, a lot of manufacturing. Yeah, it's been really interesting.
Finlay is our first ever apprentice in the organization, and we've been very impressed with him since the day we first met him at our assessment day. He has come into the team, shown his value, and just really immersed himself in the program and the work here. So we've had a great experience with him so far. Looking in from the people team, what I'm part of, I've been really impressed with Finlay's professionalism and his initiative as well. It's been great to see a young person come with that, and I look forward to seeing what he continues to do over the next few years.
The apprenticeship has changed my career ambitions greatly, to be honest. I was formerly doing a qualification as an engineering technician, and I've decided to take the leap of going to be a fully qualified engineer, and this is, something I've wanted to do for a long time, and the company has gave me great access to that, and I'm taking it in stride, and I just, look forward to the future and what opportunities it gives me. I'd like to think that I can make myself a pretty integral part of the team, to be honest. I think that I'm going to be here for a while. Of course, I've got 4 years of education, and then I look forward to seeing what opportunities arise from that afterwards. But the company is a great place to be, great place to work, and I think the future has a high ceiling.
We were extremely impressed by the quality and caliber of applicants to our program, and I think for our whole team it reinforced how competitive and what a credible option apprenticeships are in this day and age. So we're definitely keen to expand our program over the upcoming years to other areas of the business. And I think with Finlay, it was kind of testing the waters for how an apprenticeship could work in the organization, and it's been incredible so far. So it's definitely encouraged us to expand the program further.
And what would you say to someone thinking about applying for an apprenticeship?
I think you should give it your best shot, to be honest, because this is a great company and it's a great environment to work on, and there's so much technical stuff that you'll work on. You'll really learn here, and it's a great place to be.